A user PLC is a PLC program that always runs in the background. It uses ladder logic, which is a visual programming language. Each row is called a line or a rung, and each rung is executed one at a time from the top rung to the bottom rung. Once all of the rungs of the ladder diagram have been executed, the PLC program will return to the top rung and execute the program line by line again. The PLC supports up to 200 rungs. The user can use the coil symbol to control or reset the related registers of the user PLC. S registers control some functions such as external emergency stop, external start, external suspension, servo on, clear alarm, deceleration, auto recovery, etc. The user PLC signal mapping of S registers and general I/O is shown in the figure. Other commonly used S registers include S1 external start running program, S2 external pause, S3 external servo power on, S4 external clear alarm, S6 jump to main program, S7 turns off the servo, and S17 and S18 trigger reduced mode. Common operations in the user PLC include inserting lines and triggering S registers with a single signal. We recommend setting line by line, but not multiple signals across the same rung controlling several registers, which means not using multiple AND or OR commands in one line in the LD editor. Let's take external startup as an example to configure the user PLC. Click Extension, User PLC, select the last one, click Insert Line, configure in the newly inserted rung, click Modify, select the contact symbol, select X from the drop-down menu, and enter 4, also known as inputting channel 4. Click OK. Use the same method to associate signals such as M000, M001, etc. At last, set the coil symbol, associate with S4. The program ladder will operate the following when executed. The function of line 0. When the switch wired to input 4 is pressed, the robot has no internal and external emergency stop, and the robot is in play mode and there is an alarm, the system will clear the alarm and synchronize. The function of the first line. When the switch wired to input 4 is pressed, and there is no alarm while the robot has been synchronized, the servo will be enabled. The function of the second line. When the switch wired to input 5 is pressed, the robot is servo on and the robot is not running, then the main program will start executing. The function of the third line. When the switch wired to input 6 is pressed, the program will be paused. Check out how it actually works on the robot.